Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. Welcome to the 2320th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. I was going to get in front of the camera for you cats and do another video like we did last night, but changes have taken place to the Omni, and I thought it's prudent to get this video out to you early enough so you can do something about it. So, out of nowhere, and please remember, trading is risky. Futures trading, stock trading, ETF trading, options, you name it, extremely risky. Put your stops in, put them in first, and never trade without them. So, out of the clear blue, guess what I get? Let's do it like this. I get a green Omni in NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, Tranny, you name it, Russell, everything goes green. All right, so I don't think this is the right spot to find the green Omni, but I never argue with Omni. So, if you recall, we're below the Omni, and that's pretty scary, in the E-mini S&P, but I had to go shopping for some reason why Omni might have turned green. I don't know. And here we are. Check this out. What's this? I pulled out some of my really long-term averages, the stronger ones that I barely ever use, and bingo bango, look at this. 3 holds at that average. Now, are we going to get back above the Omni, or are we going to get below this cat? I don't know, but Omni turned green. We have to buy extremely deep dips if we're going to buy anything at all. We're not buying anything close. It's got to be a deep dip for us to get long, and then we'll expect it to move higher. That's for trading on Wednesday, 10/06/2021. Now, we've got trade setups in the E-mini S&P. In fact, let me write these out for you because I found a lot of trades today. We've got trades in the ES. We've got trades in the NQ. I have a trade in the Russell. I've got a trade in gold. And we've got a trade in Bitcoin. And we've got a trade in MongoDB. So we've got some stuff here. M-O-N-G-O. I'm sorry, kids. So this is what I found trades in, and I'm going to take any of these that's set up. You will find me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. It's free to you. No credit cards are required, so come join me, and I'll talk to you about the rest of these Omni trade setups. And remember, kids, good luck tomorrow. Put your stops in. Keep your emotions out. No emotional decisions, kids. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.